buy one get one in Lenskart, buy two get one in Mamaearth, buy one get one pizza in Domino's, Pizza Hut, and some similar offers like buy one get one, buy two get one, buy three get two, buy one get 10% off, buy two get 20% off. In case if you haven't seen such offers, please visit your nearest mall or browse on your internet. You will find plenty of offers. Suppose you have buy two get one offer. If you want to purchase one product, you can't avail the maximum offer, right? In case if you want to avail the maximum offer, you need to purchase one extra in order to have one extra. In basically you are doing overbind. In both the cases, you are not winning, right? So if I can give you two people from your vicinity looking for the similar product, all three of you can avail the maximum offer, right? From offer like buy two get one, right? So this piece of information is so valuable. The product you are interested in, it's someone in your vicinity looking for the similar product. If yes, all of you will avail the maximum offer. It has a multiple use case, right? Wherever two people come together and can save some money or like help each other, there we come. So you can see our application name Pickapoo. So ask around, share a cab, buy, sell. For example, I click on ask around feature. So what is ask around? It's like you are asking around you for anything. For example, you need an iPhone charger. Okay, you need an iPhone charger. Where I need? Near Raman block, for example. And now there is a two user input here, radius and the wait time. Whatever radius you will select, taking you as a center, this application will draw a circle of that radius. And whatever people line that circle will get notified by your interest that someone in your vicinity looking for iPhone charger or a buy to get on pizza or a cab sharing or urgent be possible at anything. Okay. So suppose I increase the radius from 1100 meter to 1400 meter. So you can see polling with 86 users instead of 50 users, and there's a wait time. I can't wait hold for a cab or a pizza, so I can select my timing accordingly. Once I'm done, I will click on start polling, and all the people in my customized vicinity will get notified, and if they're interested, they will be on the common chart thread. This can be for anything. This can be for buy sell within a vicinity, in short OLX within a vicinity. This can be for cab sharing within a vicinity. You want to go from point A to B, you can find people around you looking for similar destination. This can be for you want to play cricket and you need 4 more members around you, so you can join them. So in short, we connect people in their customized vicinity for anything in real time.